Hello, I am going to lead you through just the beginning of painting. Yay, we're going to do painting. Um, so you have your art kit. Hopefully you have your, let's move that away. You have your art kit and you have your paints and you have your brushes. So you should have a round, the green one, and a flat, the red one. Now you will want to take out, some of you have a paper like this. It's textured like this. It's called canvas paper. Some of you just have it open like this. Some of you have it in a pad like this. That's what we're going to use. Then we're going to use one color of your choice. I am going to use a blue. So I'm going to take a little of this blue. Now I'm using the top of a takeout container. You can use, this is anything that holds your paint. Well, you can call that a pallet. So this is your pallet. So the top of a takeout container is good because if you have any paint left over, you can just put the top back on and it keeps it nice and airtight. You can use it later. Or Tupperware or that sort of thing. But any piece of plastic, even your top, if you don't have anything, I'm sure you can find some piece of plastic where you can put paint on. So then you're going to take a little bit of that blue and put it out on your palette. Don't need much, and then you can top that back off. And then you're going to, every time you change your color, you're going to have to use some, you need some water too. Now it's blue water. Any kind of, these yogurt containers make great water containers because they're deep. The more water you have, the less you have to change it. And you're also going to need some kind of rag or paper towel, something like that. Something to wipe your brush on. Okay, so we're just going to get used to making the paint itself. To make shapes and lines and basic things with the paint. So I'm going to also put on some white, and that's fine. And then I'm going to get some black. So black. Let me wipe off my white, dry off my brush, and some black. There we go. Black, white, and your color. I use blue. All right. And get all of that black off. You won't want it to mix into your color yet. All right. So now you've got your palette, and you've got your flat brush. So I am going to make, all I want to do is just make some stripes. So I'm going to take my blue, just straight paint, get a good amount of paint on there. Yeah. Okay. And just go like that. You're just going to make a stripe. That's just straight paint. Okay. Then you're going to take some more blue and take a little of that blue, and we're going to mix it with just water. So this is called a wash. When you mix the paint make kind of a watery paint solution, it's called a wash. Washes use, clothes washes use a lot of water, so does a paint. Wash. There you go. See, it's very watery and transparent. You can see through it. Straight paint. A wash. There we go. Dry off your brush. And then I'm going to make white and blue. So I'm tinting the white, tinting the blue with white and making it opaque. Adding white to any of the colors makes it opaque. That means you can't see through it. The opposite of transparent. Transparent